Hi y'all, we got a Ninja Turtles party today in the 6-inch, 7-inch line. Yes, y'all. That is all the figures and all the G.I. Joe figures. Yes, y'all. Take a look at AprilOneil and the other Super 7 Ultimates. Yes, y'all. We got AprilOneil with long flowing hair. This is Ninja April with nunchucks and a camcorder. Yes, y'all. Here's Ninja April in front of the Super 7 party wagons. We got Ray Fillet. We got Krang. Yes, y'all. So, April comes with a katana, a sword, nunchucks like Michelangelo. Here's Firefly, G.I. Joe. We're mixing up 6-inch and 7-inch line. Yes, y'all. Even got a bow staff for April. Yes, y'all. And her alternate heads. Yes, y'all. April. Here's Krang. Yes, y'all. Here's Ray Fillet. I love this figure, Super 7 Ultimates. I get another one to give away. We got Mutagen Man. Yes, y'all. Mutagen Man. Yes, y'all. We got a Foot Soldier. Yes, y'all. We got Slam Dunk and Don hanging out with AprilOneil. Slam Dunk and Don. Yes, y'all. We got Baxter Stockman. Yes, y'all. Let's see who else we got. We got Metalhead, AprilOneil, and Metalhead. Yes, y'all. The glue came loose on the mirror. Let's see who else we got here in the Ninja Turtles world. We got Shredder. Shredder's driving the party wagon. Yes, y'all. We got Bebop. We got Rocksteady. Oh no, Rocksteady and Bebop. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. We got Scratch the Cat. Ninja Turtles party. Got Scratch the Cat. Yes, yes, y'all. We got all these figures. What else do we got here? We got Slash. Yes, yes, y'all. This is our Ninja Turtles party. We got AprilOneil with all these Super 7 Ultimates. Yes, yes, y'all. Who else do we have in here? We have the hated Ace Duck figure that keeps falling apart. Yes, yes, y'all. Ace Duck. Yes, yes, y'all. And that's all we have in there. Yes, yes, y'all. That's the party wagon, the Underground Arsenal. Let's see April in the Super 7 party wagon. There's AprilOneil. And we got this suicide fish. We got a Mouser run over. We got Slam Dunkin' Don's other head. We got Splinter. Yes, yes, so we got Donatello. Yes, yes, y'all. We got the first version of AprilOneil to compare AprilOneil with. This Ninja April. Yes, yes, y'all. I like this new version better. Looks better. Yes, yes, y'all. Who else do we have? We got Michelangelo. We got Sewer Surfer Michelangelo. We got Mondo Gecko. Pause to put Mondo Gecko's skateboard on. Yes, yes, y'all. AprilOneil 1 and 2. Yes, yes, y'all. And that's all we got in there. We got Donatello's plunger and accessories. Yes, yes, y'all. Oops. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Jailbird. Yes, yes, y'all. That's all we got in there. We got Leonardo. Nice. When I was a kid, I wanted all the Ninja Turtles. And now, as an adult, I got them. And Raphael. Got Raphael too. And that's all in the party wagon. Yes, yes, y'all. This is all the Super 7 Ultimates and G.I. Joe. Here's Man at Arms. Here's the Motu Classics. There's He-Man. Yes, yes, y'all. AprilOneil joins the party. And we got G.I. Joe Tunnel Rat. Got AprilOneil down here. We got the Ninja Turtles. All the Ninja Turtles. Wanted them as a kid, got them now. Inside the van. Yes, y'all. We got Splinter. Yes, y'all. Got all the figures. Got Metalhead. Got Scratch the Cat, Bebop, Slash, Krang, Slam Dunk and Don, Ray Fillet, Shredder and the Foot Soldier, Baxter Stockman. Yes, y'all. And G.I. Joe 6-inch and 7-inch line mixing. Yes, y'all. We got Optimus Prime. Yes, y'all. Let's see AprilOneil going into Optimus Prime. And that works. AprilOneil going into Optimus Prime. We got Rocksteady and Mutagen Man and all these G.I. Joes. See how that works together. Yes, y'all. We got the Thundercats. Yes, y'all. So that is the Heavenly Collection of Ninja Turtles and Super 7 Ultimates. Check out the party. Let's show He-Man over here with AprilOneil. Yes, y'all. And this is the toy room growing strong. I took the Ultimates out of here. Yes, y'all. The classic retros. Here's more G.I. Joe on Eternia. Yes, y'all. We got Skyfire on his throne, lounging on top of Eternia. Yes, y'all. We got the Motu Giants. We got Jetfire in the back. We got Skyfire Phoenix. Yes, y'all. We got Motu Origins. Here's Zodak. And Zodak Giants. More Jetfire. I love to do that in the 80s. Yes, y'all. We got some MOSC, Mint Unsealed card. We got more G.I. Joe. We got Thundercats, Mumra. Yes, y'all. More G.I. Joe with the heat seek missile system. Spirit Iron Knife. Yes, y'all. We got Jetfire, Siege Jetfire, knockoff oversized. Yes, y'all. So this is the Super 7 and G.I. Joe party. Yes, y'all. All hanging out outside the party wagons. Yes, y'all. I'll take you downstairs. Yes, y'all. It's me with my toy collection. I got them all. Yes, y'all. That's why you guys are subscribing. Because I got them all. We got Motu. Motu Origins. We got this that sits on top of Eternia. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Black Venom sleeping, resting. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Metro Titan looking cool in that knockoff recolors, reissue colors. Metro Titan version. We got Vintage Omega Supreme. Actually, that's a reissue. And this is on my comic books. Got to do another video of comic books. My Jim Lee comic book video was so successful. Yes, yes, y'all. Now I want to show you downstairs. In the stairwell, I got vintage. These are commemorative reissues. He-Man and Super 7 reissues. Yes, yes, y'all. No one can see that. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Masterpiece Soundwave. We got Fans Hobby Arch Enemy. We got Triptychon. We got Double Evil. We got Fans Toys Phoenix. TFC Perseus. Hercules. TFC Hercules. My Mondo collection. Very fond of that. 12-inch line. Now got the Batmobile in the 12-inch scale. Yes, yes, y'all. Got that giant Hulk there. My toys are all giant now. Here's the tumbler. Yes, yes, y'all. Toys are all giant. Even when I do G.I. Joe, they're giant. This collecting dust. Gonna have to clean that. Giant. Yes, yes, y'all. Tell your friends about this channel. We got a giant toys collection. Yes, yes, y'all. Got me blue Terminus Giganticus. This is really rare. Yes, yes, y'all. And that stayed there nicely. We got Metroplex. Yes, yes, y'all. We're even big on the 7-inch scale. We got the tumbler. Thanks to McFarlane Toys. We got a pretty big tumbler. Yes, yes, y'all. That's my shoe collection, the display cases. Check out the tumbler. Yes, yes, y'all, with the 12-inch line. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's see how Battle Cat does next to the tumbler. Battle Cat and He-Man. Yes, yes, y'all. Giant toys. $500 Battle Cat. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Transformers behind us. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Teela in the Batmobile. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got all of these. Here's my Batman tumbler. Yes, yes, y'all. Very proud to own this. Look at those big wheels. Bigger than my head. A nice minty. I don't know how the Florida mom kept this so minty clean. And I'd like this to sit right here. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. So that is the collection. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. We got the Batman tumbler, gigantic. We got the Mondo 12-inch line. Yes, y'all. Skeletor ride the tumbler. Yes, y'all. We got giant. All my toys are giant. We got giant Hulk. Can't fit in the tumbler. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Giant Hulk. Crushed, but still awesome. Yes, y'all. And I'd like that to sit here. Let's throw them away over here. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. That's my collection. And yes, y'all. That is my room. That is my collection update. Yes, y'all. We got Masterpiece over here. Oh, we got Fans Toys Superion coming. I pre-ordered that. Yes, y'all. It's going to be a Fans Toys party too. Okay, thanks for tuning in, y'all.